Looking to design a fitness mobile app? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to wireframe a sketchy-style mobile fitness app using MockFlow. We'll be using MockFlow Sketchy Mobile and Sketchy Web App UI kits throughout this tutorial. To begin, we are going to use the mobile placeholder as a background, which suits all the screens we create, followed by the status bar showing time, battery percentage, and mobile signal, just like a real phone. Next, we'll use the avatar section from the Sketchy Web App UI Kit to indicate the user's profile picture. Then, we'll add a calendar icon where users can check records for specific dates. The home screen should also contain the user's name and a welcome note like "Welcome back," which captures attention immediately. Next, the user sees the date range section, where they click on a specific date to check records. For this, we'll create one date block, duplicate it as a replica, and change the date and day. Then, we'll highlight one date button using MockFlow's color settings. MockFlow allows easy customization of components. To show exercises or workouts, we'll create a recommended section, mention the name of the workout, and indicate levels inside an SVG uploaded to the MockFlow image library. We'll duplicate this and mention the number of members doing the workout, helping users get a clear idea. The user sets targets like how many times they will work out. For this, we'll create a section named Your Workout Plan and include a calories icon, mention the amount of calories. And similarly create one for proteins to show the user's nutritional targets. Users will want to track activity rates on specific days. For this, we'll create a section titled Activity, add the day, and use the Overview Chart with Data component from the Sketchy Website UI Kit. Then, we'll add a home indicator navigation bar, allowing users to return to the home screen easily. Once the user clicks on activity, it should show the activities done. For that, we'll use the same home screen, add a rectangle, customize it to create an overlay effect. And add another rectangle to display details. Here, we'll list activities like steps, with step counts underneath. We'll also include a filter selector using button component from the Sketchy Mobile UI Kit, labeled as daily, weekly, and monthly. Next, we'll add a line to visually separate sections. The following section will show reports in the form of charts. We'll use the vertical bar chart from the Sketchy Web App UI Kit. This chart component can be fully customized as per your preference. We'll then add another section that shows the recent activity done by the user. Next, use MockFlow's icon library to add a right arrow icon, indicating that the item can be viewed in detail by clicking on it. Then, we'll create a Target Achieved screen using the home screen template. This screen will show completed workouts and allow sharing with friends. Title this screen Goal Achieved, Share with your friends. On this page, we'll add a profile avatar to show the user's identity by including their name and avatar. We'll also add a line to divide the content sections clearly. Using a circular chart SVG from the MockFlow image library, we'll display an icon representing the activity, in this case, steps, with a realistic numeric step count for added visual clarity. Users will want to know the number of calories burned during their steps. We'll dedicate a section to this and also show the user's set step target. From the Sketchy Mobile UI Kit, we'll add two buttons, one labeled Share to Friends to let users share their data, and another labeled Not Now to give users the option not to share. Once everything is done, align all components, and there you have it, your fitness mobile app design in Sketchy style is complete with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wireframing walkthroughs and design tips with MockFlow.